Abuti, say hello to the children.
Molweni bantwana.
Today, we're on the farm. Are you ready to learn some new words, kids?
Yeah!
Now, on this farm, there is a cow, a sheep, a pig, and a chicken. Do you know what the word is for cow in isiXhosa? Very good. Inkomo.
Molo.
And what is the word for sheep in isiXhosa?
Igusha!
That's right, igusha.
Molo.
Now, what is the word for pig in isiXhosa?
Ihagu!
That's right, ihagu.
Molo.
And what is the word for chicken in isiXhosa?
Ikuku!
Very good, inkuku.
Molo.
And now you know the names of the farm animals. Goodbye, Abuti. Goodbye, kids. See you next time.
Wow!